At a meeting held at the National People's Party headquarters in Shillong, the national president of the party, Conrad K Sangma, had welcomed PDF members Bante Dor Lingdo and Gavin Milame to the party fold. Others present included the national vice president, Preston Tinsong, and general secretary of the party, Snyao Bhalang Dhar, besides others.
Politics, there is no permanent friend and no permanent enemy. Day na tagadaw, kaba kajingekran kajonga, but uchi minister, but iba Preston, but masnya ubha, kaba pelong yang i bangi jadan lang, mentakas ngi mentakajan mit kumni. Nagaliang kajonga ngasoban ay kublay kerpang. Hamtam ya ki member jongka CAC. Kiblay don ringkat batngi. Namar kani kakam umday tang uba Bante Dor bat ba gibin kila kenti no syakin NPP. Day namday na. Hang ne ngilayawan lang bat ngilayaray lang. Daga jingya stu jingmut bat daga jingya hun lang. Hamtam nagaliang ki member jongka CAC bat hamtam nagaliang ka zonal jong ka PDF jong ka Maukan Row constituency ka bihit ka jumni kinong yalam baro kilay don rikat lang ban ngilayo ban late ban pinsngutu ban kren ban batay syai yagani ka jing tumu ka jongi umday bang shiring ko tang ban biang yaladi iwan hang ni ban ngirung siya ka NPP ngakuha ban kren syai api daga nongrim ka baskem bat ngiwan bandrung siya ka NPP kum kinong job umday bangyap niya election biyang kum bapatay stat damano remano kata ka din kung bakit ka nong ito bat kabaar kabangirung siya ka NPP lingba ka jingya selok lingba ka jingya kren nakaway ka por siya kaway ka por kaba ngingi kren halor kinong rem bat ki issue ngay i bau chief minister jongi iba Preston bat umasnya ubha abang yesong banyakran yakiniki agenda lani kiniki issue kisngap bat ki ong ni kloy bangin ya yat lang bangin ya tray lang nakabenta kapit kabyang jong kari bat ka judge benriu bat jong ka state hi jongi borokoy kata ka day
ngakan mau hakapor mensyua ba ong kliap lama ka khnam kumla syai dang ni khnam kam de kata kliap lama hadu menta ka khnam ka don ta bom don emli we dengan try bikin maulud ia katu ka political history ten rei menta ka kenti kinong yalam jompi kide ki armut rengkat uba auspicious de ki brio ki bayad da kenti ke bate thik pathik nadu ke grassroots level hadu ke district level thik pathik pia slok pia pelu jumut namar pi kat ka song kha song man de basu yo ya phetang ru benai lawai ke yo shom tak system asnem katar kom lo re habang ile song kha hadu ndayap mereka tak ada kebetulan kami ke kubur ke bangakwa banpa na kalian ke NPP bat ke PDF hai bahkan ni ke wedding ceremony ke bangile mentah kami kan yaine pateng la pateng nang tamane ke baong ni bak paidang ke badai ba hak politik seong no permanent enemy namar baru isut hulut kata ngapa dengan ongkum ni haka politics don tangki permanent friend sudah no permanent enemy don tanong sun adu bom lok sup bani keren nrei haka politics ngau yoki tangki perlok sudah nama anda election kan mau bah anda layo job ka subject pedeng kecungi kolong ban syakri ke konsumsi nang ta hak juga por ban syakri ke jera don kiwe ki parti ke bnyo i ke negisni kiong i jaj benriu nas lading Nang ten slading. Bekler mitui thao shadiang shamon shadia shamon. Ani ya bud pai bakat kidim do shu optei. Hanabai jai benri. Kabae kolong bahak konstitusi lajong. Pei tliu lut pei saar lut khat ka surok. Ka skul ka merat ka breng leno. Haba jai benri ngang bud benong takawi. Habing ya ka jai benri bat ka jelas dang shuan narempei. Narempei poi hasnong. Nasnong poi ha konstitusi. Lada pernah ki konstitusi baru telinga ong ya pikata kain ba jika jai benriu.
But I always believe that everything that happens for a reason and happens because it is planned from above. And therefore this moment, when this particular merger is taking place, I would like to thank God for having guided us and shown us the way and brought us to this moment. At this very moment, I take this opportunity to welcome Shri Gavin Melim, the MLA of Sora constituency and was the president of the PDF, Shri Bantedor Lingdo, our MLA from Makunriu constituency and the working president of the PDF, Auspicious Lingdo, the general secretary of the PDF, all the other office bearers, members of the East. As the national president of the party, I take this opportunity on behalf of every single member of the National People's Party across the country. I take this opportunity to very warmly welcome each and everybody and each and every one of you to the family of the NPP. Welcome to the National People's Party. As Ba Preston said, that today is the wedding ceremony. But let me tell you, the love story started long time back. For the last 5 years, we have been romancing, I should say. And that's simply because we get along. We see things from the same perspective. We have the same goals and visions and ideas for our people and our state. There were times when we sat down to discuss few things for a few minutes, but we found ourselves engrossed in discussion about the state, the politics, where we are and where we should be, the issues concerning the state. And the discussions went on and on and on before we realized that hours had passed. And that's the kind of relationship I have shared with both Ba Gavin and Ba Bantedor and the other leaders of the PDF. And it was during the courses of those discussions that I used to jokingly tell them, why are we in two different parties? When we see everything together, when we realize that we work so well and our ideas are the same, there is no reason why we should be in different parties.